Euro USD is sitting at a key level right now. Let me show you the key level that can trigger the big move. If you have been following my channel, you can see that all my analysis as playing well as planned. Euro USD has break out of a key zone on the daily chart. You can see we have price break out of this trend line level, which is this trend line that connected these three swing levels. And so long price close out of this three swing level and we have this double top. If you watch my previous week analysis on Euro USD, this is what I analyzed. I said I am so long we have this double top level and price break out of this trend line, we expect the euro to drop. You can see that price has clearly dropped to the downside. And if you also watch our previous analysis on euro also, we also said we need price to convert this resistance, this particular support level, into a resistance. You can see that currently now price has converted this particular support level into a resistance level. So what do we expect now on the Euro USD? What we expect on the Euro USD now, we need price to do a retest of this zone. Then we start looking for possible selling opportunity for the Euro USD. But let's look at the structure of the market. You can see clearly that we have a sideways trend on the Euro USD. And so long we have this sideways trend on Euro USD, this move will be an inner structural move for price to move to this major level. And once we have a strong structural level here, which is this particular support level, is a strong structural level. So once we see a price break below this level, this might also trigger a retest of price to this zone. Then we'll see further sell for price to this major structural level. And once we break this structural level, this might trigger a major sell on the Euro USD to this next support level in long term. Because once price break out of this major structural level, this will clearly give us an indication of bearish trend for the Euro USD. So let's look at the weekly charts to confirm the current trend of the market. But before we go to our weekly chart, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more trading tips and forex analysis. So let's continue to our analysis. On the Euro USD weekly chart, you can see that price closed on a resistance level, which is this long-term resistance level. Let me map out the resistance level. You can see that price closed on this long-term resistance level. And so long price closed on this long-term resistance level, and we also have this resistance at this level, which is this current price closed on this resistance. So this at a strong resistance level, which can push price back to this next weekly support level. And once we see price break this support level, which is this support zone, this was a previous resistance level. So we need price to move to this particular resistance level. If price can break this particular resistance level, this might trigger a strong bearish trend, which is this previous resistance. Once we can see price break below this level, this might trigger a strong sell for euro to the downside. So we expect a strong reversal from this level, or we expect a break of price below this level to trigger major sell on the Euro USD. So let's look at the trend on the weekly chart. Euro USD on the weekly chart still remain on the sideways trend. We don't have a clear direction yet on the weekly chart for the Euro USD until we see a price break below this level. This is a higher low. Then we can say we have a clear direction for us for a bearish trend on the weekly chart for Euro USD. So currently now we don't have a clear direction yet for the Euro USD. So let's go back to our daily chart. Before we go back to our daily chart, we created the price on trading course. This course is for advanced trader and beginner trader. If you are finding it difficult to make money in this market, this forex trading course is for you. Click the link in the description to get your copy. So let's continue to our analysis. So we're looking for our entry with a price action setup from this particular daily support level and also weekly resistance level. If you have access to this course, you know how to take entry from these levels. Everything is detailed in that particular course. So we are expecting euro to sell from this particular daily resistance and also a weekly resistance to the downside. So expect more of a bearish trend for Euro USD this coming week. So if you find this analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe for more trading tips and forex analysis. You can also watch my previous weekly analysis at the top, where I break down what is currently happening on the British pounds USD, USD JPY, and Australia USD. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.